Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix Snapchat filter problem in your phone and it's not working in your Snapchat. So you have to fix the issue. Just simply follow some steps to fix the issue. Just simply go back to settings, tap on settings, and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. And simply go back and just find on a search bar and simply search a Snapchat just like that. And simply go to Snapchat and scroll down and just go to the storage option. Just tap on storage and you have to just clear the cache from here. Just tap on clear cache from here and you have to make sure that setting. After that, simply go back to Snapchat and just simply go back to Snapchat and just go to the profile section and simply go to the settings of your phone. Just tap on settings of Snapchat, just tap on it and just scroll down and just simply go to the cache, just like a clear cache from here. And let's clear the cache from here. So you have to clear that issue and after that simply go back, and if you are not gonna fix, then we can uninstall the Snapchat from here just like that. Just tap on Snapchat and simply go to the app info and again simply go to the uninstall. Just tap on uninstall and uninstall the app from your phone and again install it. So you probably gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.